Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Wordscapes. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first way to uninstall this app is tap and hold on the app. Click on Info option. And here you can see Uninstall option. Tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on OK button. Similarly, the next option is to go to your Settings application. Scroll down your screen and go to Apps option. Tap on Manage Apps. Here in the search bar, type in Wordscapes. And here you can see the Uninstall option in the bottom section of your screen. Tap on it. Then tap on OK button. And finally, the last way to uninstall this app is open Play Store application. Here in the search bar, type in Wordscapes. Tap on the app. And here you can see the uninstall option. Tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on uninstall option once again. So that is how you can uninstall Wordscapes application. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.